you today how to cook eggplant on the stove with virtually no oil. Because as we all know, eggplants are hungry little suckers when it comes to oil, right? You can cut the eggplant as thick as you want, up to about, I'd say, 3 centimeters, just over 1 inch thick. All you need is olive oil spray. Spray quite generously because this is all the oil that we're going to be using. Dry pan, no oil. Get it nice and hot. Then place the eggplant in, oiled side down. Then spray the other side with oil. Sprinkle with salt. About 90 seconds, just until you get some nice colour. Then flip it over. Then once you get colour on that side, all you do, pour water in, clamp the lid on. Then you're just going to leave it to steam for about 90 seconds, just until the water evaporates. And in that time, the eggplant's going to cook all the way through. Once the water is evaporated, use a knife to check that it's tender, soft all the way through. So let's just get them out. So look at that. Pan-seared eggplant cooked with hardly any oil at all. Now, the thing is, just imagine the possibilities. Eggplant is so meaty and so juicy, there's so many ways to serve it. Here's a few ideas. A little drizzle of olive oil, fresh lemon juice, chili flakes, parsley to finish it off. Then to give it a little extra something, a good shower of parmesan. How good does that look? So good. All mine. Quick Asian style. Angry Auntie Chili Crisp. That is so good. Ginger shallot sauce with sriracha. Think Hainanese chicken with eggplant and sriracha. Garlic yogurt with parmesan breadcrumbs. Garlic yogurt, put the eggplant on, parmesan breadcrumbs, olive oil, parsley, sauce vierge, eggplant caprese, add a little smear of goat's cheese, olive oil, balsamic glaze. Let's try this one on toast. That is so insanely good. Yogurt and dukkha. Yogurt, olive oil, JB's famous dukkha. Dozer isn't interested because we're filming eggplant today.